What it do, gang? We back for part 2 of my day 1 journal, my journey towards becoming a rich day trader. What I did, see how I got down here? That was like $50 for us. What it did was a retracement. You know what I'm saying? Usually, the market does that. This is not like a liquidity grab or nothing like that. This was our manipulation. This was our liquidity grab right here. As you see, it went back up, but it stayed inside our box, which is our accumulation. After accumulation, which followed by manipulation, then should be distribution to the downside. But you know what I'm saying? It stopped there for its retest, you know what I'm saying? It started consolidating until like the lunch hour ended, which was 11 to 1 o'clock. No, I mean, 11 to 12 o'clock. That hour came in, 12 o'clock came in, slowly but surely started dumping and created another 15-minute fair value gap. And this should continue dumping down. As you can see, I took partials, which was at only 36, $2 fee, which was 34, blah, blah, blah. But I'm still floating another $1, $40, 50, around $1.60, because I just wanted to take partials. I got tired of sitting in this trade all day, but it's still playing out in my favor. You feel what I'm saying? So tomorrow I'm gonna come back and take this 1-to-1. That was a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio because I was risking $50 and was able to make $50. But then again, I'm thinking it was gonna continue dumping, but it had it retest, which went back to my entry. That was like 0. Then it started going like negative, you know what I'm saying, 5, -6 to like -$8 or whatever. And finally came back into our green zone or whatever, what we want and what we predicting. And as you can see, it's still dumping. And the next 15-minute candle should come in and probably do a retest of this bottom zone and continue dumping. But I ain't gonna say I don't care. I am going to continue watching this, and I am going to continue to float the rest of this money. And if it does hit my stop loss, I didn't lose any of this because I already took partials. Now, hopefully it gets back down here. That would have been my $50. But as you can see, it's trying to retest that zone already. So I'm cool. Looks like that's about a swing low for us. I doubt it now because we've been lower. I don't think we're oversold either. We've been there before. You know what I'm saying? This is all lower than where we at right now. You feel me? These are my alerts as to where I wanted to come, but we've already been below this area like a week ago. You know what I mean? This was the 11, the 12. All this was downside. So I'm not going to too much worry about it. I'm pretty sure it's going to hit my TP sometime today. I just don't feel like sitting here watching it all day, which you don't have to. You can sit and forget, but at the same time, you want to make sure you're keeping an eye on things just in case the market does try to do something slick, such as a market reversal, which rarely happens. But, I'm happy with what I got. And I'm going to come back tomorrow. I'm going to do it again. I'm going to record. I'm going to set up, make sure I got enough space for my phone. That way I can record one whole solid video and do another risk to reward of like maybe 50-50. Take the 50 and just be happy. Simple as that. Or risk 100 to 100. Other than that, man, that's how it go. This is part 2. Stay tuned for tomorrow. Peace.